Is your golf cart feeling sluggish? Tired of those heavy, high-maintenance lead-acid batteries dying halfway through the course? It's time for a professional upgrade. Bonnen 48V 200Ah Lithium Battery, the ultimate power solution designed for peak performance. This isn't just a replacement, it's a total game-changer for your ride. Engineered by Bonnen Battery, a premier global leader in lithium technology. With over a decade of manufacturing expertise, Bonnen delivers world-class, tailor-made battery solutions that power everything from personal cars to industrial fleets across the globe. Experience massive 200Ah capacity for extended range, faster charging, and zero maintenance. Our advanced smart BMS ensures maximum safety and a lifespan that lasts up to 10 times longer than traditional batteries. Stop settling for less. Upgrade to the best. Visit Bonnen Battery today.